Well, hello, it's Michelle from Michelle's Ink and Stamp It, and today I am here with another organizing video. And first off, if you're new to my channel, thank you for joining and coming to watch. Be sure to like, subscribe, share, all that stuff, ring the bell, whatever else there is. And if you're a returning subscriber, well, thank you again for coming back. So this is part 2 of the organization, cleaning an organization. I wiped everything down. I took everything out of the bin. I have the big clear bin over here. And so this is what was in it. So now I'm going to put everything back. I've started writing stuff down and then realized, yeah, I said I would do a video. So I got to turn it back on. I got to turn it on. All right. So, and I'll tell you what it is as I put it in the box. So I've been looking for these forever. This is the Nuvo blending daubers, and you've seen how I use them. I'm going to take them out of this pack because I don't need this packaging in my thing. And I have one of I keep a little thing of snack bags over here so I can put my stuff in when I need them. And so the difference between them, this is a Tim Holtz dauber, and this is the Nuvo dauber, and it is smaller. I didn't realize that, but that's okay. So I have 2 of them there. So I'm just going to put that in there, and they will all fit on my, I don't even see where my one thing is, but this one is the one of my champagne corks that I use, and I just put a piece of Velcro on there, and then I have that to, whoops, sorry, did it on the wrong end. Let's get this one out. I just dropped it on the floor. Okay, so you put them down with that rough side down, and then this will stick, and you have this part to daub into your ink and that. And then they peel off rather hard. Okay, so actually I know something that I'm going to do right now. So I have this. I'm going to put my dauber right back there so I don't lose where it is. I got to put that other one out, but I'm going to put that in here. And that is marked on the, where do I have it? Nuvo daubers right there. And I have these spray bottles. They come in a pack of 2 from the Dollar Tree. And I don't know, I've had these for a long time, so these were probably $1.25. I don't know if they're still $1.25 or if they're more. But I'm going to place those into the bin. So I have them. I have this box that has ambered bottles. And they have little label things here that so you could put on the bottles. It has a little funnel that so you can fill the bottles, and then they have glass daubers. So I needed that for something that I was doing that I needed the glass bottles for. You couldn't use plastic. So that's going to go back here in the back. And then I had this little cardboard box. It's a paperclip box, and I had all this stuff in there. Well, I'm not going to put it back in there. I'm going to use this for something else. Oops, I have 2 more of those bottles here. I'm trying to keep all like things together. I seem to have a problem that way. I end up with them in different places and don't know where they are. So what was I going to do? I don't know what I was talking about. Oh, these. So I'm going to get another snack bag. And it works out better for me to have things in clear bags. So these are all, I think this was from Sherry over at Studio 2080. I think she sent me some little goodies at one point. This was one of them too. And they're on bulb pins, so I can just hang them in my journal. They're very cute. I love them all. I know that's going to fall on the floor any second. I'm going to stick that in. This is a big pearl bead. I have a button. There's a flower, probably a prima. Yeah, a prima flower. This was a little tchotchke. Excuse me. I'm gonna sneeze here, and it's not coming out. So this is charm things that I was making, and so I'm going to put that in there too. And then this is a bead, purple, I can't think what the name of it is, amethyst, and it has a hole drilled all the way through, so you can use it like a bead. And then I had a little thing of pearls that I could put on. There's a little stamp, a Santa Claus stamp, and I made these, somebody had done them, I forget what's in the middle of that, but anyway. So I'm going to put that in the baggie. So that is dangles and miscellaneous things. Put those over here on this side. This was a box I made on Facebook. It's Mixed Media Makers, Mixed Media. I'll leave a description or a link in the bottom to their Facebook page. They sell stencils. They're a stencil company, but they do, I think it's Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday lives, and they are great at teaching you how to do things. So she does jelly prints, and they use the stencils to make the jelly prints, and she also teaches you watercoloring and all kinds of stuff. So one of the subscribers on that, Sharian, she did these boxes on her channel. I'll leave a description, or I'll leave a link in the description below to hers too. So I made this little box along with her. So it was going to be my texture paste box where I was going to put a different texture thing on every side over the top of these, and then I could use them to stamp or do different things with. So, or just even to see what they look like, the different stencils that I had with the texture paste. So these are on book pages, music paper, copy paper, music paper there too, more book page. So yeah, and this was fun to make these, so I really like it. It was fun to do. So I'm going to put that in the box. I've got that on here. And then I have, let's see, I'm going to move this back because I'm going to put the punches up front. I put this big one in, I think, first. So these are border punches for my journals. I like to use them. Put this one behind it. And then this is a corner punch, and it has all these different, there's 3 different ones around, and you punch the corner of your paper. Let's see, do I have a paper here? I usually turn them over so I can see what's in them. Probably should do this with thicker paper, but oh, it won't even punch down. There it goes. Okay, I'm going to set it down this way. Sometimes they're harder than heck to punch. So to make a little end piece like that, that's that one. And then this one here, does that little corner. And do it this way, so I've done this one. Yep, that's that one. I don't want to do that side. Did I do all three? Yeah, I got that punched out again. This one. I punched that same one out. Oops, I didn't get that very good. Of course, now I don't have another corner. I think it was this one here. It's hard to tell when you don't have them right side up. Okay, that one does that one. These over here. That was my phone, sorry. People walking up and down the driveway. So I'm going to put that in there. I like to have my punches together. I don't have many punches anymore that I use, but those are pretty cute. So there was this little matchbox thing, and I had made this a long time ago. So you could put stuff in it. I just don't happen to have anything in it right now. And last but not least, I had this thing of papers, pictures. I cleaned this off, and I have no idea what's in it. I'm assuming it was probably a Disneyland trip. Oh, nope, it is. I did a girls' road trip to Texas with my friends. I'm sure we have a picture. Oh, I'm in this kitchen area here, and this was in Fredericksburg in Texas. And they had these little salad clamp things, like a clamshell, and for getting your salad out of your bowl and stuff. So I bought a bunch of those for everybody. And then we were in Round Top, Texas at this is at Junkies. So that was I just wanted to go there. I was happy with that. We stayed in Galveston. Oh, that's my ocean picture, because I have an ocean picture of every ocean I've been to. So this would be in the Gulf of, I'd say America, but they're calling it the Gulf of America. Was the Gulf of Mexico. Yep. And there we are on Galveston too. We did some touring there. Let's see if it shows. Oh, we went to the Johnson Space Center. So that was fun. So it's all those pictures. So I'll have to go through those and make a book for that road trip. So that's on there. Okay. So I've got it. Let me turn it this way, because I'm going to put it on the front here. I'm going to put it that way. So this is everything that's in it now. And it's all nice and clean, and everything's dusted off, and it's ready to go. I'll probably have one more of these videos, because I think I have enough to do the one. Let me get my little pen. This is my stylus from It's All About the Scrapbook. I actually have a couple of these because I really like them. This is the white one, and I have a multicolor one too that I like. So one end is a pokey tool, is what I call it, and this is for picking up beads or sequins or anything that you need to stick on the end. So I'm going to use the pokey tool part, and I'm going to push Oh, you get real quiet when you do that, don't you? I can see it split. There we go. Now I got it. Okay, so I'm going to stick this right down here, And I've been going over the edge a little bit, so let me get that there. There. Pick that up a little bit. I think you can see that here, right there. I put the tag, so get all this stuff squared away again. That way I can look and see what's inside of them and I won't forget. All right, I'm going to put that up, and that will be our video for today. So I'll put, be sure to like and subscribe over here. I'll put a video you might be interested over here. Go create something fun, and I will see you on Wednesday. Bye. If I can find my stylus now. What did I do with it? Here it is. Okay, bye-bye.